other interesting fact that we found through some research we did looking at over 1,000 millennials and their perspectives on customer service is that they actually feel better when they themselves serve their own needs. They want that agent, if they talk to them, to be an expert. But the rest of the time, they would rather do self-service. And actually, I think that's sort of very fitting with sort of the way they grew up and the way the market has evolved. It's no longer just okay, for people not to be able to do things themselves. We're so used to now having the ability with our smartphones and our sort of thumbs to be able to do things. And so we have to actually support that, not just in our sort of personal social lives, but in sort of the business and in the community that we support as customers. And so, fascinating opportunity ahead. The other thinking that we have here is that we don't actually have to always sort of know the answer going in, but we have to build a world where we're going to go test and learn. The tools in the cloud allow that to happen. We can bring up a contact center in the cloud in a couple of days. We can put a self-service environment in place, and we can actually allow for testing and learning by putting those tools in the hands of our customers, putting them in the hands of our agents, building this sort of community of capability, measuring the impact, and when it works, we go do it again and again and do it faster and faster. And if not, we should step back and think about how it is that we might need to change. One of the ways that we do that is through a journey mapping process. We actually look at the customer journey, and what we do is figure out what are the right next steps for that customer to take. Make sure that sentiment is high and positive. And when we have that, then we layer in the technology sort of almost invisibly behind the scenes to allow that to happen. So start with a journey mapping process, use cloud technology to allow you to test and learn, put it in the hands of the customers very quickly, take the feedback, and then make for better process. Put that as the approach going forward, and actually it can create magical customer experiences at the end of the day. We're really excited about the next few years of doing this with our customers, and coming off of the ACE event here in India, I couldn't be more thrilled to think about the art of the possible and partnering to do that.